What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. QCKBF, Santee Cooper, pre-fishing starts now. On the way to the ramp to try to do a little bit of pre-fishing today, and the tournament is actually tomorrow, so yeah, we're gonna go down here and try to figure it out. I love Santee Cooper. It's burned me a few times. I've caught some very good bass down here, so the giants do live down here. You just have to find them, and that's one of the hardest parts, is finding them. I mean, I'm pretty sure like 95% of the spawn is over with. I could be wrong. You know, we're gonna be hitting some points and some cypress trees and maybe some type of vegetation. I really don't know yet, but yeah. Love the lake down here. I've never really had a chance to really figure this lake out, so it's really cool to come down here and try to figure out the puzzle and put the pieces together and see what we can do. Pre-fishing starts now. Let's see what we can do today. So when I finally got out on the water, I really wanted to focus on some cypress trees, throwing top waters around the trees, throwing a pop-R, buzz bait, whopper plopper, and then I kind of switched over and got a little bit of pre-fishing in around by some grass. Was throwing a frog and a buzz bait, and I had a couple small little blow-ups, but I think they were like bluegill. Didn't really get no big blow-ups in the grass, but I still wanted to check it because I know that sometimes the bass will hang out in the grass. We'll also check these areas where cypress trees was near the grass as well, but ended up catching a couple fish later in the day on a wacky rig. Caught this big one right here and a couple small ones, and it gave me an idea what I needed to do for the tournament. Tournament morning, QCKBF, Event 4, Santee Cooper. About to get the boat all set up and get in the water. We launch at 5:45 a.m. and then we first cast is at 6 a.m. So yeah, pretty excited, man. I really don't think, I'm gonna have to grind today. I think there is some fish in my area. I just gotta really figure them out as I go, because I know yesterday was one condition and today's supposed to be overcast with some rain, so really not sure how that's gonna go, but we'll see what we can do. I know we got to be kind of open-minded when it comes to what they were doing yesterday and if the fish change and what they could be doing today. So I'm pretty sure though I'm around some fish. I just got to figure them out, and I kind of got a milk run I'm gonna do and just see what happens. I mean, that's all we can do. We caught some decent fish yesterday. Caught that one big one, and I don't know. I'm excited to be here. We got good weather. It's warm. Finally, all that cold crap is behind us, so let's go have some fun and catch some fish. Hell yeah, that's how you start the morning. Solid largie. Nice. Let's get him on the board. Nice. Almost at 19 inches. Let's go. That is a stud right there. That is a fucking, probably another 18 at least. Look at that toad right there. Let's go. Let's go. We got 2. We need 2 more. Come on now. Beautiful fish. Oh, Santee Cooper. Santee Cooper. Let's go. All right, 16.75, nice largie. Let's keep it moving. All right, a little small one, he might be 50. At 14.75. You come on now, come on. Oh my God, come on, come on, come on. Oh my God, come on, come on, come on. Oh my God, come the fuck on. Oh my goodness. Hell yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, guys, check out that fucking Santee Cooper largemouth. Let's go. Freaking beast. Let's get him back in the water. I don't know if he's gonna help or not. Pretty fish. I think he's not gonna help, but still a pretty fish, man. 15 and a half. A little bit too small. My back camera, the battery went dead, so the rest of the day is gonna be just basically me fishing and nothing to show, but we got some gnarly shit coming in. So man, I got a few more minutes to fish. I gotta keep fishing. You know, I got a nice bag, but I need one more to I think upgrade a 16 3/4, I believe. So we got to keep grinding. I've lost a couple fish. It's just been a grind. We can't let this weather stop us though. We got some work to do. Holy shit, you can actually see the rain coming. That is crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna hit some of these trees and it's coming. I gotta get my rain gear on. So yeah, it's been the best day of fishing I've ever had out here at Santee Cooper. Freaking pumped. But yeah, the rain is here. And hopefully lightning. Hopefully it's not gonna lighten, but I'm gonna get this camera off. We gotta start playing it safe. That way I can start working, fishing my way back to the ramp.
In 5th place, with 75.5 inches for top 5. Going home with $430, Mr. Ryan Brenneman. Hook sets with Ryan. Not here.
We ended up placing 5th place out of 101 anglers. It was just an amazing day out there for me. I mean, I just put my head down and really just finesse fished the whole day, switching between a wacky rig and a shaky head. I had a couple blow-ups on a buzzbait first thing in the morning, but they just wouldn't commit. So I really felt like I needed to put that down and just focus on finesse. But I had to hit a lot of trees to get my bites. I mean, a lot of them. And then I had a random bite on a dock. So it was just kind of one of them, you know, run and gun, hit everything you can type of day. And it really paid off for a 5th place finish. Congrats to the winners. Jay Park, he put up a mega bag, over 80 inches with 4 fish. I mean, he had a giant bag out there. I just couldn't really upgrade my 16 3/4 on the back end of the day. I did lose a big fish on a tree that probably costed me 2nd place. He was probably about a 20-incher, but he just came off right at the boat. But my back camera was actually off when it happened, and I didn't really get it on video, so that kind of sucks. But when that bad weather came in on the back end of the day, I was just kind of spun out. I needed to make sure I was being kind of safe out there because I didn't know how much wind was going to be coming, so I wanted to get close to the bank and go through the trees to get back to the ramp. But awesome day on Santee Cooper. Ended up cashing a check. Ended up getting some amazing points for the tournament season. And we got to move forward. We got Lake Wiley next. Real quick, though, I want to thank each and every one of you that subscribes to my channel and watches my videos. It really means a lot, and I really appreciate y'all. We're going to get at it. We got Lake Wiley in about 3 weeks, and try to get a good bag there. That way we can keep the momentum going for the season to try to make it to the Tournament of Champions on Lake Murray. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, smash that thumbs up button for me. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And y'all have an awesome day. See you on the next video.